Hi, it's Rain! So for today, dito muna tayo sa loob ng cinema sa Korea. Ito yung lobby and ito rin yung price niya. As you can see, meron din self-ticketing wherein pwede mong gamitin yung kahit na anong valid na card na meron ka para mas easy, diba? Self-service lang. So after purchasing tickets sa lobby, we will now proceed on second floor for the cinema room itself. So ayan siya, ganito yung itsura niya. And if you're wondering kung bakit naka-winter clothes pa kami dyan, is because this was taken December 2022 pa. Pakita ko lang ulit yung view ng escalator na inakyatan natin kanina. Sa area na to, dito ka pipila papunta doon sa cinema room. So ayan, naglalakad na tayo papunta sa cinema number. And by the way, we purchased Avatar 3D IMAX. So meron tayong 3D glass.